Hello and welcome to the video. Before we get started, if you'd like to provide input on future content and get our weekly newsletter, click on our survey. The link will be below. We also have a report on Ethereum 2, along with a bonus report on why you should learn Solidity now. Again, the link will be below. Now on to the video, and thank you. Okay, so as I promised, what I'm going to do is see if I can get the Ethereum node sidechain working. So what I've already done, so as to not waste time, is I've already, where is it? So I've already done the git clone, and this is the first step here. Let me bring that. So here's your git clone. Sudo apt install build essentials. That you get everything we need, hopefully. And now what we're going to do is we're going to see what happens. Okay. So we need... And now we need to go into the sidechain. Okay. So we're in the right place. So let's see what happens when we do make geth. Okay. Now there was that tip. Let's see. I showed it the other day. Let's see if we can get that. Here we go. I remember this. Let's see. Gogan. Let's see if this works. I think it was another one I found. There was another one I saw. Here we go. See if this works. Gonna make this a little wider. Did not like that. I did find another way of doing this. Let's see. Well, it gets us right there. Developer's Guide. Okay. Let's see if this works. Didn't like that either. Okay. So the next thing we got to do is go to the GitHub. Let's see. Elastos sidechain. Okay. So usually they tell you how to build these things. Let's try something. GitHub. Okay. Go mod file. Okay. So that's what it's looking for. Now this is going to search. So they have a bunch of them. I'm going to try Okay, now we can try one of those other. You know what? Let's see. Does not like any of those. Okay. You know what? I'm wondering if it doesn't like the fact that I created go home. So let's go here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna actually get out of this and start a new window that hopefully you will now see. All right, so let's do this. Is this it? Yep. All right. Let's try this. And we're going to go to and now let's see. See that? There's that go get. And try. Now we got something. Now we got something going on here. Let me move this. Actually. I am going to... No, that's not the one. No, that's not the one. There. So now what's happening, let me go back here and go back to the... So let's talk about what I had to do. The problem was I said a go home variable in my bash file, and it didn't like that. So now I'm getting hopefully everything I need, and then hopefully when we do make get, it's going to work. So that was the thing. This is another situation where you have to tell it to go get whatever it needs in order to build whatever it needs to build. And it's taking its time a little bit. So, you know what? I'm going to get back to you when this is completed so as to not waste your time. And we will be back in a few. Okay, so I fumbled around quite a bit and it did not want to build. So what I ended up having to do, show you the history, and I still don't know if it's going to build. Let's see, I finally used this vendor, and then it gave me something very interesting. Let's see if I can bring it up. It said, so it was having trouble syncing up, so I had to run go mod vendor, and it decided to bring down a bunch of stuff. Now the other thing is, I changed this to 117, which is the version I had. It's very odd, though, that it does not tell you anything about this in the instructions about, I think they assume that you experience building with Go. So let's see if it'll work now. giving me the same error. So let's see something. If we do dash mod read only or mod equals mod. So let's look at this make file. And we're going to give it one more go here. If not, I think that's it. Yeah, so let's see if it likes that. Okay, I put that in, but, oh, I put it in the wrong spot. I did boot node, and it needs to be here. See if it's going to work. You know, the other thing I can try, because I can always get it back. If I get rid of this, because I can always recopy this file. So I'm not going to worry about it. And okay, well, so we've been trying for a bit, and we were able to get a bunch of stuff down, but it is not happy. And I'm going to have to do a bit more playing around to get this to work. But we got to start. We got everything down. And I'm going to have to give it a little bit more of a go. I'm sure people build this have built these, so I'm not quite sure what it doesn't like. It could just be that I'm using a compiler that's 1.17 and it's looking for 1.12, but it's also odd that they have you download this and then try to build it, but it doesn't let you, doesn't let you actually get to build. One other thought I had before we sign off, the sudo apt-get that we did. I wonder if Build Essential is all. Yeah, it could be a version of Go, is what I'm thinking, that 117 is just not compatible with how they have stuff set up. So anyway, we're going to research this, and hopefully you learned something. You learned that These things don't necessarily work the first time, but, try different things. I don't understand, again, why it did not include or give you any information about that go.mod. So, anyway, I will speak to you next time, and thank you for watching, such as it is. Take care.